Okay, so we're going to take advantage of some of the REST API features of the advanced OneStream code extension. The first one we're going to take a look at is utilizing SQL. So you'll see you can have multiple connections. Right now I'm connected to the development Gulfstream, so you'll see that down on the bottom right hand side. And inside of the utility, I'm just going to click on the little SQL database, and that's going to launch up the SQL query screen, and it's going to tell me that, hey, be careful with what you're doing because this is a live connection to the application. You'll again click this, don't show this message for the session, and you understand the risks. So the first thing that the system does is when you connect is it gets a list of your valid connections. So if you hit the drop down, you'll see what you have availability to see. Now, if you have external connections, you'll see on here too. Right here, we just have internal. So I'm just going to click internal. And you'll notice that it switches and goes to an IntelliSense, and it tells you kind of like that it's ready to go and pull those back. So we're just, since this is Gulfstream, I'm just going to do select top 50 star from, and I'll start typing. Now notice it starts finding the tables, right? Member. And I'm just going to click execute query. This will run, and you'll get back to detail. Now, so you did 50, right? So it says 50 keys back here, how long it took. You can copy them to your clipboard. You can hit your CSV file, JSON, or Excel. But in order, each stream, so as you go, your cursor goes down, it'll start displaying more and more records for you, just for memory concerns in the tool. You could also filter. So if you just want to see anything that says test, it'll filter and pull those back. I'm not pulling it. One of the other cool things that it does as far as the IntelliSense goes is that you can put an alias. So I just do MB, and I can say where MB for the alias name, and I do a dot, and it automatically recognizes that I put an alias here, and it automatically will go and grab all the column names. So I'll do name, like, and I'm just going to do Houston %, right? Run this query, and I'll get this back. So in here, you'll get that, and you can pull those back. You'll also see over here, as you hit this drop down, you'll see history. So it'll show you all the history. So if you want to go back to a previous query, you can go back to a query, and it should pull it back for you in there from previous queries that you run. This one's 50, right? So top 50 from Vim member. Then you also have some stuff in here, like different examples of select statements, join statements, just a few templates. You can format it, convert to uppercase, do finds, replace in the code, and do searches at all for those pieces. So that's how to use the SQL editor within the tool. So it's very powerful. You can switch connections. Again, you can use external, internal, and it'll pull it back, and you should be able to get back a lot of detail. It's really quick too to use it. Thanks.